Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's week number 3. Have you ever been lost in a new city or town and didn't know how to ask for help? Well, today I am going to teach you exactly how to ask for and give directions. So by the end of this video, you will be able to confidently navigate your way. So if you noticed, I've put the Spanish version on the opposite side. It's the language that I know a little bit and can navigate myself. So let's begin. We're going to practice. So the first thing we want to do is say, excuse me. So we want to be polite. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? The next person may say, sure, where do you want to go? And I am going to say, how can I get to the library? How can I get to the library? And the person may say, go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. And you may say, is it far from here? Let's do that again. Is it far from here? The person may respond, no, it's about 5 minutes away. And then you should always thank the person for assisting you. So you will say, thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Merci. Shukran. And then the person may say, you're welcome. So let's go through and we're going to practice asking for directions. How did you do? Now, thank you for listening and have a pleasant one.